Hey guys, and welcome back. I'm Mohsen and you are watching to the new video of the MKR developer channel. This is the third video of the Firebase Realtime database. In the past videos I showed you how to send the data into the Firebase console. We have created this library, we named it contact here, and we passed 3 items here. The name of the items is a random ID that we have created here by this line of code. And then we created the child, which is this, and we set the value, which was the contact, and it's here, the name and the phone, and we took it from the user in the add fragment. So if I open one of them, you will see still we have the data. The ID is in the first line, the name and the phone number. Now in this video we want to take this whole data and display them in a Recyclerview in the home fragment. So if you are ready, let's get started. But before that, if you are new in my channel, please hit the bell and the subscribe button to be aware about the new videos. Thank you. Okay, in the last video I showed you how to change this labels based on the fragment that we are inside it, and you see that it's changing, but the text is not satisfying. So I use this 3 line of code to do this, and now inside my nav you will see the labels here. So I'm going to change them, and just like this. Okay, now I have home and add here. Okay, let's go further. I don't need this, and add fragment also I don't need. Main activity I don't need. This one as well, and add fragment. Okay. I'm going to add the Recyclerview here. Okay, now I'm going to go to the resource manager, to the layout, create a new layout, and I'm going to call it RV, stand for Recyclerview item, or maybe let's write RV contacts item. Okay, and I'm going to speed up the video, and I will design this layout, then I will be back to explain the rest. Okay, we are done with the layout. I have a card view here in the center, and constraint layout, 3 text views. If you want to copy the text, feel free to pause the video and write them. Let's go to the project and here I'm going to create new package, call it adapter. Inside it I need a Kotlin class as the RV contacts adapter. Okay, here is the adapter class, and I'm going to write the code. If you don't know how to work with the Recyclerview, you can click on this link and watch the full course about the Recyclerview. I'm going to implement the members here, and as we use the view binding in the rest of the parts, so here also I'm going to use the view binding as well. Okay, in the class view holder, this is the extend Recyclerview again. Here I'm going to add binding equals to RV this one, RV contacts item binding, which is a class created automatically by the Kotlin based on the name of the XML file, the layout of this Recyclerview. Okay, here, and here I'm going to write binding dot root. Okay, should be private, and here in the onCreate view holder I have to write return to the view holder class RV item binding dot inflate, and here layout inflator from parent dot context, and here again parent and false. Okay, I think we have one extra parenthesis here. Now, yeah, this one is better. Yeah, that's okay. And get item count. Here I'm going to create a private contact list, and it is the array list based on the contacts class, the data class that we have created here to store the data inside it. And that's it. Here in the get item count, return contact list dot size. Okay, then here I'm going to create a value, call it current item, and equals to contact list, and I'm passing the position into this, and then holder dot apply, and then binding dot apply. I have an error here. Okay, make binding public. Yeah. Then I have the text views here, and I should write the data to store data inside them. So first of all, TV name item and dot text equals to current item dot name, and the same for the rest. Instead of the name should be phone and phone number here. Instead of the name, ID, and here ID. Sorry about the voice, the bad voice that I have, and also low energy because I was sick for last 10 days, and now I'm in a recovery, so I don't have the energy that always I had. Sorry. Okay, let's go further. We are done here in the Recyclerview adapter, and now let's go to the home fragment to write the code to retrieve the data, fetch the data from the real-time database, and then we will pass them here to be shown in the Recyclerview. Okay, we are in the home fragment now. We have created this view binding and everything, and we used set click listener for the floating action button to go to the add fragment, and now here we have to write the code to fetch the data. Here I need private latency variable contact list, and it is array list from the contact, and then private latency variable Firebase reference database reference. Now here we have to initialize them first. Okay. Equals to Firebase database dot get instance dot get reference, and we passed the name of the library as the contact, and here also we should write the same name. Then I have to initialize the contact list equals to array list of, and then we are going to fetch the data. For this I'm going to create this function, and here we need to write the Firebase reference dot add value event listener, then object column and value event listener. Click on the object and implement members, both of them. Okay. In the on cancel, I'm going to write a toast message. And in the data change, we need to store the data into the contact list. So first I'm going to clear it. If we have some data inside it, then I will check if a snapshot dot exist then for contact staff in a snapshot dot children, and well, contacts equals to contact snap dot get value. Here contact 2 columns class dot java, and here contacts list dot add, and I'm going to pass this contact value into this if it's not empty. Okay, here first of all we are checking if this snapshot has a value, and then for all of the items that are inside this snapshot, one by one we are creating this value and extracting the data from this get value, and we are putting them into this class, and one by one we are putting them inside this contact list, and then here Recyclerview adapter equals to RV contacts adapter, and we are passing the contact list inside this. And here let me write binding dot Recyclerview contacts dot apply, and now set as fixed size to true, and layout manager equals to linear layout manager, and I'm going past this dot context into this. Now the Recyclerview here is initialized and we can use it here. So RV binding dot RV contact dot adapter equals to RV adapter, which we have created here a moment ago. This is everything for the home fragment, and now let's check it. So we have the data here. I'm going to install the app on the emulator. Let me open all of them. We have one empty child here, the name Julia with the phone number, and the name Max with the phone number. After installation, we should be able to see them here in the Recyclerview. Okay, it's done. We have the Max and the empty and the Julia. I'm going to write my name here and a random number as the phone number. Send data. Here is the data. Okay, and I'm going back and you will see my name here as well. So that was everything about this video. In the next video I will show you how to click on the items, and we will be going to a new fragment, which is the update fragment, and we will update the data that we stored in each of these child. Be with me in the next videos to finish this tutorial together. Thank you for your time. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell button to be aware about the new videos, and also give me a thumbs up to help this video be watched by more people. Thank you. Bye bye.